Alright, I can't work on the bus right now because of, well, not being able to get out to it right now. So we're going to have a little fun. Dishwasher. SJ4000. Fresh battery, just charged it. As soon as it charged, I threw it in there and I am starting this. Up here is my flashlight. It's supposed to be able to run 4 hours on the batteries. I don't know. We're going to find out. It is super bright. So there should be plenty of light the whole time. Let's find out what happens. This is the first torture test. Let's go. Let's have some fun. Okay, it is done, and there is not one drop of water inside the case. There's a little on the outside still, but nothing inside. So it survived. Cool. If you liked the video, click the thumbs up below it. If you want to stay updated with everything that's happening and all the travels that are soon to come, click the big red and white blinking subscribe button with all the arrows.